The Donkey and the Monkey short moral story. Once a monkey and a donkey were walking through the forest. The monkey, who loved to show off, swung from branch to branch, laughing at the donkey who walked slowly on the ground. "Why don't you try climbing like me?" teased the monkey. The donkey, wanting to prove himself, tried to climb a tree. However, his legs weren't made for it, and he fell down, hurting himself. The monkey realized his mistake and helped the donkey back up. He apologized, saying, "I'm sorry, friend. We all have different strengths. I should not have made fun of you." The donkey smiled and said, "That's all right. We should respect each other's abilities." Moral of this story: everyone has unique talents, and we should not compare ourselves to others. Respect differences.